Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the floor function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will round a specified number down to the nearest specified multiple of significance. So because of that, it only contains two arguments. So it contains the first argument, which will be the number. So this is simply the number that we want to round up. And the second the second argument is simply the multiple to which we want to round it up to. So in this case, it's going to be a multiple of 2. So if we want to round up this number with a multiple of 2 to the nearest multiple of 2 number, it's going to be 4. So 4.5, the nearest multiple of 2 number will be 4. This number right here to the nearest 0.5 multiple. So in this case, it's going to be either 3.4, either 3.5. Same goes for this one right here. It's going to be 15.2. So if we write down this function, how exactly it's going to work? So pretty simple. We can just start with an equal sign, and then we can write down floor. And just like that, the first argument will be our number, which is right here, and the second argument will be the multiple, which is right here. And then we can close our parentheses, and here we go. Our first number has been rounded up to the nearest multiple of 2, which will be 4. We can do the same thing with this number right here, simply by taking the function and drag it down there. And as you can see, it has been rounded up to 3. Yeah, because it's the multiple is 0.5, no, not 0.05. If we round it up nearest 0.5, as you can see, it's going to be 3.45. If, for example, here it's not 45, but 46. As you can see, here, the nearest multiple of 0.05 will be here 3.45. Now if we do the same thing with this function right there, as you can see, it's going to be 15.2. Now if we decide to change our multiple, so let's say here I want to round it up to the nearest multiple of 5, for example, it's going to automatically adapt it and it will be 0. If it's going to be to the nearest multiple of 3, for example, so it will round it up to 3. Because here it's 3.46. If, for example, instead of 3.46, we write down 5.46, it's going to be 3 as well. If we write down 6.46, now in this case, it's going to be rounded up to 6. So as you can see, the nearest multiple of 3, in this case, is going to be 6. So this is how we use the floor function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see another of my videos.